What's the meaning of clientele? Clientele. Clientele.
Clientele. Clientele. Clientele refers to the group of customers or clients that a business or organization serves. These individuals or entities are typically loyal and frequently return for repeat business, forming the core customer base. It is important for businesses to understand their clientele and cater to their needs in order to maintain their loyalty and attract new customers through positive word-of-mouth recommendations. By building strong relationships with their clientele, businesses can increase their success and profitability in the long term.